Hey, smart people, do you know where we are? We live in a vast cosmic neighborhood known as the Milky Way Galaxy, a home to billions of stars, planets, and mysteries yet to be discovered. Our very own Earth is part of this grand community. Let's begin our tour at home. Earth, the third rock from the Sun, is truly special. It's covered with vast oceans and dotted with continents that support life. But what makes it so unique? Let's find out. Earth, the jewel of habitability. Earth is the only planet we know of that teems with life. Why is it the cradle of life? First off, it's in the habitable zone. This is the Goldilocks zone around the Sun, where temperatures aren't too hot or too cold, just right for liquid water to exist. And we all know life as we know it needs water. Second, Earth has an atmosphere that shields us from harmful radiation and helps regulate temperatures. It also has a magnetic field that protects us from the sun's powerful winds. These factors have made Earth a haven for life to flourish. Now, let's turn our attention to Earth's closest companion, the Moon. The Moon, a silent partner. The Moon doesn't have an atmosphere or magnetic field like Earth. It's a barren, grey world covered in craters. Its gravity is weaker than Earth's. The Moon significantly influences our planet's tides and is believed to have played a vital role in Earth's early formation. Ancient cultures saw the Moon as a god or a symbol of mystical powers. Today, it's a silent partner reminding us of our connection to the cosmos. Now, let's blast off on a grand tour of our planetary neighbors. First stop, Mercury. Next up, let's visit the intriguing world of Mercury. Mercury, the speedy messenger. Mercury is the smallest planet in the solar system, about 1/3 the size of Earth. It zips around the Sun faster than any other planet because of its proximity to the Sun. Mercury is scorched on one side and frigid on the other. There's almost no atmosphere to speak of, so it's not a hospitable place for humans. Because of its speed and closeness to the Sun, Mercury completes an orbit in just 88 days. That's a year on Mercury. Next, let's explore the enigmatic Venus. Venus, the veiled beauty. Venus is similar in size and composition to Earth, but it's shrouded in thick clouds of carbon dioxide. Underneath those clouds, the temperature reaches a scorching 462 degrees Celsius. That's enough to melt lead. Venus experiences a runaway greenhouse effect, trapping heat and making it the hottest planet in the solar system. A day on Venus is longer than its year, and the planet rotates in the opposite direction from most others. It's a strange world that continues to fascinate scientists. Now, let's return to our home planet for a moment. Earth, the jewel of habitability. Repeat from earlier. Now let's venture further out to the red planet, Mars. Mars, the rusty red planet. Mars is a cold, dusty planet with a thin atmosphere. It's known for its rusty red color due to iron oxide on its surface. Mars has giant volcanoes, including Olympus Mons, the tallest mountain in the solar system. At its poles, Mars has frozen caps of ice, and scientists believe there might be water beneath the surface. Mars has fascinated humans for centuries, and today we dream of sending people to live on the red planet. Next, we'll take a giant leap to the colossal planet Jupiter. Jupiter, the mighty giant. Jupiter is the largest planet in the solar system, so massive that Earth simply vanishes into its colossal depths. It's mostly made of gas and liquid, and its surface is a swirling mass of clouds and storms. Jupiter has more than 75 known moons, including Europa, which might have a vast ocean under its icy crust. Another moon, Ganymede, is the largest moon in the solar system. Jupiter's gravity is so strong that it pulls apart some of the asteroids that come too close. It's a powerful force in the solar system and a reminder of the awesome power of nature. Let's move on to the ringed planet, Saturn. Saturn, the regal ringed planet. Saturn is known throughout the universe for its magnificent rings. These rings are made of ice and rock particles that form complex patterns. The rings are so extensive that they can be seen even with a small telescope. Saturn's largest moon, Titan, has lakes of liquid methane. Titan is the only moon in the solar system that we know of with a substantial atmosphere. Saturn is a regal planet that continues to captivate our imagination. Next, let's visit the sideways planet, Uranus. Uranus, the tilted giant. Uranus is a pale blue giant that spins on its side, almost perpendicular to the Sun. It has rings that are intermediate in complexity, halfway between the more extensive set around Saturn and the simpler rings found around Jupiter and Neptune. Uranus is an ice giant, and its atmosphere contains a lot of methane, giving it a bluish hue. Uranus was discovered by humans only in 1781. Before that, it had never been observed by any other civilization in the universe. Now, let's take a closer look at the last planet in our solar system, Neptune. Neptune, the windy blue world. Neptune is another ice giant with a bluish color due to the presence of methane in its atmosphere. It has supersonic storms that rage for years. Neptune has rings that are intermediate in complexity, similar to those of Uranus. Neptune is the farthest known planet in our solar system. Beyond Neptune lies the Kuiper Belt, a region filled with icy bodies and dwarf planets like Pluto. Neptune was discovered in 1846, the last planet to be added to our solar system's roster. Together, these worlds form our solar system, a family of planets, each with its own story, orbiting a star we call the Sun. Though Earth is our home, the other planets remind us of the infinite possibilities within the universe. As we conclude our whirlwind tour of the solar system, let's take a moment to appreciate the incredible journey we've been on. From the scorching plains of Mercury to the icy depths of Neptune, we've witnessed the astonishing diversity of our planetary neighbors. Each planet is a unique world, shaped by its distance from the Sun, its composition and the forces of gravity and magnetism. But our exploration doesn't end here. The wonders of the universe are boundless, and there are countless mysteries waiting to be uncovered. As we continue to explore space, we'll undoubtedly make new discoveries that challenge our understanding of the cosmos and our place within it. Who knows what amazing worlds we'll find beyond our solar system, perhaps even more Earth-like planets teeming with life. For now, though, let's marvel at the incredible beauty and diversity of the planets that share our cosmic neighborhood. Together, they form a celestial tapestry that surrounds our little blue dot and reminds us of the endless wonders that lie within the reach of human curiosity. So, what do you think? Which planet did you find the most fascinating? Share your thoughts in the comments below. And if you want to learn more about the amazing world of space, don't forget to subscribe for more videos like this. Thanks for joining us on this incredible journey through our planetary neighbors. Until next time, keep looking up and stay curious. Now, let's zoom out once again. This time moving away from the solar system and back into the Milky Way. As we do, let's imagine our solar system as just one of countless others scattered throughout this vast galaxy. Each of those stars could potentially have planets of their own, each capable of harboring unique forms of life. Looking back at our solar system from this perspective gives us a sense of how small and insignificant we are in the grand scheme of the universe. Yet it also fills us with a profound sense of wonder and awe at the immensity of the cosmos. Out there among those stars and planets, who knows what wonders and mysteries await our discovery? As we continue to explore the universe, we can be sure that every new discovery will bring us one step closer to understanding our place in the grand tapestry of existence. Thanks for watching.